All right, so after a hour and a half-ish drive, I'm up here. Right behind me is Lake Brecken, and yeah, I finally got set up. The sun's down now. It took me a long time to set up, making adjustments to a few things, but here's my setup. Let's go inside and check it out. Propane heater while I was getting the wood stove going. Don't know if I'm going to run the wood stove all night. One of the things I found out that I forgot, let me turn on a light in here. Close this quick. That zipper is real easy to do with one hand. Here, let's turn on my headlamp. Alright, so one thing I found out I forgot. The lid for the wood stove. Small little round piece. It must have fallen off while I was loading it and getting stuff. So hopefully it's in the garage. It's not in the bed of the pickup. I already checked. It's drafting pretty good. I have my cast iron on top of it. Don't like that, but it'll work for right now just to get her nice and hot in here. Or comfortable, I should say. I have a thermometer. Right now, I just got it going. It's 44 degrees in here, according to this. Obviously, the heat's mostly up here. I do have the fan going. I could rotate it some. I'll have to try to reposition the fan so that way it blows it around more. But even though that says 44, I'm ready to take off my sweatshirt, put on my jammies for the night, and just kind of chill out. But yeah, there's my set. Oh, check this out. That is a twin XL on 2 collapsible cots or pop-out cots, whatever they are. It's freaking awesome. So I'll be definitely comfortable tonight. I probably won't need the heaters going all night. I have a sleeping bag and a blanket, plus being on an actual mattress. Insulated Eskimo tent. Like, I think I'll be pretty good. Alright, well, I'm going to hang out. Maybe I'll do a few clips of the wood stove and see what I do tomorrow. So that little round piece right there is what I was looking for. There we go. That is so cool. Here's how I have my wood stove coming out. Comes out there. I'm making a new piece. I do have now a rubber jack for it. And I got some different pipe setups. That's why the hole is now much higher than it was. And then I have guy lines going out to 2 spots on the tent itself, and then 1 coming down. Right now it's loose just because I'm adjusting a few things. some sticks that I have to kind of help brace it here. But that's how I have it.